Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Luke here with Vista Lawn and Pest. If you're a new homeowner here in North Texas wanting to know what should I do to my lawn right now, what should I be doing in order to set myself up for success with the perfect lawn this year, or maybe you're just a new, January, new year, new lawn type of person, what should I be doing? And right now it's end of January, it's almost February. The name of the game is pre-emergent, pre-emergent, pre-emergent. That's what you have to do. You've got to figure out your pre-emergent game. You get the right product down, get it down at the right rate. That's what's going to set you up for success to have a weed-free lawn come springtime. Right now, what you do with your lawn, what you put down as far as the pre-emergent goes, is going to set the tone for late spring and the rest of the summer as far as weeds go in your lawns. If you have any questions about that, need any help knowing what kind of pre-emergent, what rates, how to put it out, all that stuff, we'll be glad to help you out. We've got plenty of videos about this on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, so check those out. But you can always just message us, ask us. We're glad to help you out. But pre-emergent, don't forget it. You get it put down as soon as possible. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.